Hello everyone. In this video, I am having a rectangle triangle, the area of which is given to us 27 upon 3 root 3 and one angle only given, that is 60. This is a rectangle triangle and we have to find the sides of the rectangle triangle. We can use very easiest method, that is depends upon the trigonometry. Another method can be used by the rule of right angle triangle. First rule is this. Rule is this. Yes, if we are having a right angle triangle in the combination of angles 60, 90 and 30, then the biggest side of this right angle triangle, that is hypotenuse, will be double of the smallest one. It means this is 60, it will be 30, and this is the smallest angle and this is the biggest angle. In front of this will be the biggest arm, that is hypotenuse, and the smallest angle in front of the 38 degrees, this will be the smallest. Then hypotenuse will be double of the smallest one. It means if it is k, then it will be 2 times k. Okay? If it is k, then it will be 2k. Then we can find the value of AB by applying the Pythagoras theory. Or we can find by means of this cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to what? Cos 30, this is root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This is AB upon this portion upon this portion. It means this will be equal to AB upon CB. And AB is not known to AB will be equal to root 3 into CB by 2. And CB is equal to 2K. That root 3 into 2K upon 2. That is root 3 times K. It will be root 3 times K. Okay? So that we can say, we can use the trigonometry as well as we can use the theory that when we are having a right angle triangle in the combination of 60, 90, 30, then the hypotenuse will be the double of the smallest one and remaining the next bigger arm will be root 3 times of the smallest one. And we can also use sine theta and cos theta in order to find the different sides. Okay. Now, k is unknown to us. First of all, we have to find the value of that k, due to which the area become equal to 27 oblique upon root 3. So, area we are given 27 upon root 3. That will be in this case in the special type of the triangle in which we are having 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. It will be perpendicular into base k into root 3 by k upon 2. Okay. Then k square, this will be equal to 27 into 2 upon root 3, that is 3. This will be 9 into 2 is equal to k square. It means k will be equal to 3 root 2. The value of k is equal to 3 root 2. Then now we can find that length of the base as well as of the perpendicular as well as of the hypotenuse. Length of this are the length. Base AB, this will be equal to root 3 times k. K is equal to 3 into root 2. It means root 3 into 3 root 2, that will be 3 root 6. This will be the value equal to 3 root of 6. Okay. AB is equal to 3 root of 6. Now this is AC. Second is AC. AC is equal to simply K. And the value of K is equal to what? 3 root of 2. Correct? Now value of CB. CB is equal to 2 times K. that is 2 into 3 root 2, that is 6 root 2. This is the length of these three sides of the right angle triangle.